Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we dive into the world of woodworking. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or just starting out, having the right accessories and tools can make all the difference. Today, I'm excited to share top 12 essential woodworking accessories and tools you can find on Amazon to elevate your craft. Let's get started. Number 1. The Milescraft 1409 Track Saw Guide is a game changer for anyone working with a 7 to 1/4 inch circular saw. With its universal compatibility, it fits most circular saws on the market, making it a versatile addition to your tool collection. Right out of the box, you can make cuts up to 50 inches, but if you need even longer cuts, optional guide rail extensions allow you to extend it to any length. The all-metal construction offers excellent rigidity, which means less flex during cuts and more precise results. One of the standout features is its low profile, allowing you to cut deep enough to handle common interior door thicknesses without any hassle. The red cutting strip acts as a great guide, helping to minimize splintering and chipping for cleaner edges. However, it's important to note that the guide is not compatible with most worm drive saws, so keep that in mind. Additionally, if you're looking to connect two track saw guides, you'll need to buy additional rail connectors, as they can't be joined together without them. Overall, this tool is a solid investment for improving your cutting accuracy and efficiency. Number 2. The MaxBauer 11-inch locking C-clamp set is a fantastic addition to any workshop, offering both durability and versatility. These clamps are forged from high-quality CRV steel, which undergoes integral heat treatment, ensuring that they can withstand tough working conditions and resist corrosion over time. With a jaw depth of 2.4 inches and a clamping capacity of up to 3.4 inches, these clamps provide plenty of versatility for securing various shapes and sizes of materials. One of the highlights of this set is the ergonomic design. The non-slip rubberized handles make for comfortable clamping, which is especially appreciated during long projects. The quick-release lever is a game-changer, allowing you to disengage pressure quickly, reducing hand fatigue while making adjustments much simpler. Plus, the adjustable locking mechanism lets you fine-tune the pressure to fit your specific task, and the hex key receiving hole adds to the convenience by allowing for increased torque when needed. The large flat swivel pads are particularly effective for ensuring you don't mar the surface of your workpiece, making these clamps ideal for woodworking and welding tasks. Overall, the MaxBauer clamps are reliable, user-friendly, and built to last. Number 3. The 8 pieces corner clamp set is an essential tool for anyone involved in woodworking or DIY projects. These clamps are designed for precision and create reliable right angles, making assembly seamless. The corners can accommodate a maximum clamping range of around 2.75 inches, a jaw width of 3.74 inches, and a depth of 1.38 inches. This makes them perfect for various projects like cabinets, furniture installation, or even welding. Constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, these clamps are not only sturdy but also lightweight, ensuring easy handling. The non-slip rubber handle is comfortable, allowing for a secure grip, which is crucial when you're putting force behind your work. The adjustable jaws and rotating nuts enable you to clamp wood blocks of different thicknesses at a right angle effortlessly. Another great feature is the oblong hole, which allows you to fix the clamp securely on a workbench. This stability adds to the ease of use during assembly. Overall, these right angle clamps are versatile and reliable, making them a must-have in any workshop. Whether you're framing, drilling, or simply connecting joints, this set makes the process a lot simpler and more accurate. Number 4. The Milescraft 1334 Joint Master is an excellent tool for anyone looking to create strong and precise dowel joints in their woodworking projects. This versatile doweling jig can handle all styles of joints, whether you need edge, corner, or surface connections. It's compatible with a 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch dowel pins, giving you plenty of options for your projects. One of the standout features of the Joint Master is its durable all-aluminum construction, which ensures that it won't flex or bend during use, providing reliable accuracy every time. This is crucial when precision is important for a tight fit. The retractable edge stops are a game changer, as they automatically align the boards, making it easier to position the dowel pins consistently in the same location. Additionally, the hardened steel bushings provide a long-lasting solution for dowel hole drilling, ensuring that your holes remain accurate over time. Overall, the Milescraft 1334 Joint Master is a smart investment for both beginner and experienced woodworkers. It simplifies the doweling process, enabling you to achieve professional-looking joints with ease and confidence. Whether you're building furniture or crafting projects, this tool will enhance your woodworking experience. Number 5. The FTG Adjustable Wood Countersink Drill Bit Set is a fantastic addition for any woodworker looking to streamline their projects. This 5-piece set includes drill bits sized specifically for screws number 4 through number 12, allowing for efficient pre-drilling. The reliable hex shank ensures that the bits are securely held in place during use, which is crucial for maintaining accuracy. These bits are designed to drill, countersink, and counterbore all in one step, saving you time and effort. One noteworthy aspect is the tapered design of the drill bits. Each bit features a pointed tip and wide flute, which facilitate fast and clean pilot holes. This design ensures a tight fit for screws, reducing the risk of stripped heads or misaligned joints. The 82-degree chamfer angle allows for smooth countersinking in both hard and soft woods, providing a polished finish for your projects. Furthermore, the bits come pre-oiled and lubed, which helps with longevity and reduces friction during drilling. They're made from high-quality HSS M2 grade 6542 steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. Overall, the FTG Countersink Drill Bit Set is a reliable choice for anyone looking to achieve professional quality results in their woodworking endeavors. Number 6. The S-SAC 72 pieces 5-inch 8-hole hook and loop adhesive sanding disc sandpaper set is an exceptional value for anyone looking to tackle a variety of polishing tasks. With a comprehensive assortment of grits ranging from 40 to 320, this set provides the flexibility to handle everything from aggressive material removal to fine finishing. It includes 12 pieces of 40 grit and 10 pieces each of grits 60, 80, 120, 180, 240, and 320, making it suitable for almost any project. One of the standout features is the hook and loop backing, which attaches effortlessly to random orbital sanders. They stay securely in place during use and are easy to change out, allowing for seamless transitions between grits. Made from top-quality aluminum oxide grain, these sanding discs are durable and anti-static, ensuring a longer lifespan and consistent performance. The open coat design produces an even scratch pattern, and the special stearate coating helps resist clogging and pilling, resulting in excellent surface finishes. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or a variety of materials, these sanding discs are versatile enough to meet your needs. Overall, the S-SAC sanding disc set is a reliable choice for achieving professional-level results in your sanding and polishing projects. Number 7. The Dreyu Table Saw Height Gauge is a must-have tool for anyone serious about woodworking. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this digital height gauge makes adjusting the height of table saw blades and router bits incredibly precise and straightforward. With the ability to set the blade height from 1/8 inch to 2 inches in 1/8 inch increments, it enhances both accuracy and consistency in your cuts, streamlining the entire process of woodworking. This gauge features dual measurement scales, with one side measuring in 1/8 inch increments for table saws and the other side in 1/4 inch increments for routers and router tables. Its solid construction ensures durability, making it a reliable addition to your toolkit for years to come. The gauge stands on its own and is thick enough to provide stability during measurements. The compact size makes it easy to carry and store, and there is even a small hole for hanging when not in use, so it won't take up much space in your workshop. Number 8. The Microjig GRR Ripper GR2 Go is an essential safety tool for anyone who works with a table saw. This innovative push block is designed to protect your hands and fingers while providing the stability and control needed for precise cuts. One of its standout features is the kickback prevention mechanism, which significantly reduces the risk of accidents during operation. The extreme grip design ensures that you can securely hold your workpiece, preventing slippage that could lead to injuries. This is particularly important when you're working with smaller or more delicate pieces of wood. Its precision legs allow for a minimum cutting width of just 5/16 inch, making it ideal for executing those narrow, accurate cuts. Using the GRR Ripper means you can avoid feeding material with your bare hands, which is vital for safety. By keeping the material tight against the fence, you not only enhance your control over the workpiece but also improve overall cutting accuracy. Overall, the Microjig GRR Ripper GR2 Go is a game changer in terms of safety and efficiency for woodworkers, giving you confidence while working on your projects without compromising on safety. Number 9. The Oxter Sharpening Stone with Honing Guide Toolset is a fantastic asset for anyone looking to maintain the sharpness of their chisels and planer blades. This honing guide allows you to secure and adjust the angle at which the chisel edge meets the whetstone, ensuring that you achieve a uniform sharpness across the entire edge. One of the great features is the ability to set optional sharpening angles by simply adjusting the distance between the chisel and the guide, allowing for versatility in your sharpening tasks. The upgraded off-center roller design enhances performance, especially with shorter planer blades, making the sharpening process more efficient. The wide roller at the bottom adds to the stability, allowing you to effortlessly scroll back and forth without worrying about tipping the jig. This results in smoother and more controlled sharpening. Another advantage is its compatibility with a wide range of chisels and planer blades, accommodating widths from 0.2 to 2.55 inches, which covers most commonly used sizes. It locks securely with a metal stud, so there's no risk of it falling off during use. Made from durable aluminum alloy, this guide is wear-resistant and corrosion-free, ensuring longevity. Overall, this sharpening toolset makes maintaining sharp edges quick and straightforward while delivering reliable performance. Number 10. The S&F Stead and Fast Painters Tack Cloth Set is a fantastic tool for anyone involved in woodworking or finishing projects. This set includes 6 generously sized, individually wrapped cloths, each measuring 18 by 36 inches, which is perfect for larger surfaces. Made from premium yellow cotton cheesecloth, these tack cloths are designed to be both effective and gentle on your materials. One of the standout features is that they are wax and silicone-free, ensuring that you won't introduce any unwanted residues onto your surfaces. The anti-static properties of these cloths make them particularly efficient at capturing dirt, lint, dust, and other contaminants, creating an exceptionally smooth surface for your final finish. Using the tack cloth is simple. Just open it up, scrunch it lightly, and wipe away any particles or sanding residue. This process helps achieve professional quality results by ensuring that your surface is impeccably clean before applying finishes. Suitable for use with all types of finishes, these tack cloths are an essential component of your finishing toolkit. Overall, the S&F Stead and Fast Tack cloths offer reliability and convenience, making them a smart choice for both amateur woodworkers and seasoned professionals alike. Number 11. The corner chisel is an outstanding tool designed for anyone who needs to cut precise 90-degree square corners in various woodworking projects. Its easy-to-use design makes it accessible for beginners, allowing them to achieve professional results with minimal effort. One of its key features is the ability to cut mortises deeper than spring-loaded corner mortise chisels, reaching a maximum cutting depth of 2.76 inches, which enhances its versatility and efficiency. Constructed from high-hardness steel, the blade of this chisel is both sturdy and sharp, ensuring it can easily handle different types of wood without deforming over time. This durability is especially beneficial for regular use, whether you're working on framing, hinge recesses, or constructing cabinets. The chisel also incorporates a comfortable handle that allows for a secure grip while working. Its sturdy metal knockout cap means that you only need to use a hammer to gently tap and chisel square corners quickly and effectively. This makes the tool both safe and user-friendly. Overall, this corner chisel is perfect for a wide range of applications, making it a valuable addition to any woodworker's toolkit, whether for door installation, picture frames, or any project requiring precise 90-degree angles. Number 12. The Cabinet Scraper Cards and Burnisher Set is an essential tool collection for woodworking enthusiasts who aim to achieve flawless finishes on their projects. This set includes 12 uniquely shaped small scrapers designed specifically for working in tight spaces, allowing you to tackle a variety of small projects with ease. Made from blue spring steel, each scraper measures 7 by 1 inches and is 0.031 inches thick, offering durability and effectiveness that ensures smooth surfaces without the need for extensive sanding. A standout feature is the newly designed Cabinet Scraper Burnisher, crafted from high-hardness tungsten steel paired with a comfortable beechwood handle, which is hardened to an impressive HRC 88+. This burnisher allows you to create a sharp burr on your scrapers, enhancing their performance for a cleaner finish on your workpieces. The wooden handle fits comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the included tool bag promotes easy organization, helping you keep your scrapers together and reducing the risk of misplacing them. By utilizing scrapers, you can significantly cut down on sanding time while achieving a superior surface ready for finishing. Overall, this set is a valuable investment that will elevate the quality and efficiency of your woodworking projects.